Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back actually with choppy day trading recap. Choppy because as you can see, no gappers in our watch list or screener. I was just trading whatever, whichever ticker has the highest volume. Yeah, so today I traded Apple, obviously not Tesla anymore. I think with Apple is it chops around first few minutes, and yeah, it was hard to trade, but I'm glad I got a dollar move out of this and a 50-cent risk. That was really good. I was slowly staking partial. Then this is where I actually took most of my partials here, so I was really patient. As you can see from my trade, because I had a few loss here, small losses, but it's fine. What else? Yeah, so let's look at our screener actually. So one sec. Why I traded Apple. Yeah, so as you can see here from my screener, Apple is the only one has volume. J&J has volume as well, but if you look at the pre-market, there's really nothing. Anything that has no pre-market move, I'm gonna skip. Yeah, so as you can see here, no pre-market move. Apple has at least some pre oh, no, not that. That's some pre-market move. Yeah, there. And I said I have 172 and 171 to watch. So that's going to be the support and resistance for today. So yeah, nothing to trade. No gap ups. They're all like almost zero. So market is actually kind of consolidating. It doesn't know where it's going to go. That's why it's hard to trade. So I'm kind of like actually forcing myself to trade. Because I have to trade. It's the day trader, right? I have to trade whatever the market gives me. Um, yeah, so let's look at my trade, why and how I traded it. So as you can see here, I have what's this? 172 as my target for a breakout. If it loses it, then I'm going to short it below 171.50 or 171 target, or not 171, 1792 target. That was uh, the key level there on the daily. So as you can see, let's look how many times I tried trading this. Okay, so at first I took it long because it was strong at open. So let's look. Uh, I took it long here for a breakout 172. I was a bit early actually, so it did not. And then it did not happen. Then I have to stop out, and then look at that wick. When I thought like, okay, maybe it's short. But I waited patiently and see how it reacts. So 170, 171.50, and then when I saw it was actually really strong, I got in again because of this large wick for a breakout of 172, right? So I took it long there. I waited patiently. See, I did not take a lot of profit here. Waited patiently, and then took some more off, and then eventually I had to stop out and break even. And then now this red candle here shows a little bit of weakness. I waited. See, I even waited two candles, right? So I took it long here. I thought it's going to do breakout of a VWAP and then all the way to 172. It didn't happen. I had to stop out. Tried again. I had to stop out. So two stop outs here. Small loss. Not much. So I was trading, I think, like $1 for this one. So they're not really a big loss. And then when it really touches and played around 171.50, I tried shorting it, and at this point I was losing 50 cents, risking this 70 area, so I was really really tight. So this is about maybe, I don't know, like a max loss I can get was somewhere at this high of this candle here. So I started shorting at 50s for the breakdown, and I stopped out and tried again. Oh, after a short I bought. Yeah, okay. So after a short, what time? 98. What I did is I short at 940 and I bought, and then I stopped out. Yeah, so I bought 172. Where is this? 938. So this is where I bought. Oh, this is a wrong time. Sorry. Sorry about that. I was really confused. Okay, so after stopping out here, so this was done. I shorted 170. Yeah, so I shorted here. I stop out. So I shorted. That's a 10-cent risk, 10-cent loss. Yeah, because I was risking 50 cents on that one, and I reshorted again at 57. Better entry. Yeah. So, okay, now I remember. So I started taking profit at 30. So my risk was actually 50 cents on this one. Slowly taking profit in this. Okay, so this was the trade that made sense. Yeah, so I started slowly taking profit here. Okay. Now it makes sense. I'm sorry about that. The time was wrong. So bought. So this was the buy. So this is 940 something. Yeah. So and I stop out. Yeah. Okay. Then I shorted. Then I shorted again 57. So this is the short that I have. The first short I stop out because I thought it's actually just playing around 175, 171.50. And then I tried again. I said I'm gonna hold it. If I lose again, then I'm gonna stop trading. So it's below VWAP, above VWAP. I'm gonna start trading. I stop trading. So there you go. Started taking partials in there, and then I even added here 170. Yeah. So the key area for me was 172 and 171. We'll look at it. It's in daily levels. And it's just 171.50. It's just like a middle of those two. And if it goes below that, I'm gonna short. It's kind of like to remind me that's like a half round number uh, area to watch, because if it goes down, then this is what's going to happen, right? Oh, everything's bat empty. My mouse, my headphones, everything. So yeah, so as you can see here, I tried to defend it a few times. So when it defend that much, then it's probably a good area for a flush. Yeah, so I added here, and I stop out somewhere where I added, so I don't want to give back any of my profit. Yeah, so where I got those levels, let's see. Yeah, so my levels are actually here. 171. As you can see, I have 171.50, 171. And then actually yesterday put up in a pretty nice short if I was shorting here. Yeah, like I have the level here at 173 some 15 or whatever. 173, that's where I should be shorting. Yeah, yesterday I got caught. Yeah, sorry, I did not make a recap. So I was aiming for 169.50 on this short, but yeah, I did not do that. So levels here, 171, I have levels here. So actually 171 was actually a good area to watch. If it flush, it could probably go to 169.50. Where did I get those? Where did I get those? Maybe in daily. Weekly is too much. So what's that? 171. Yeah, this area. Yeah, here. So you can see that area there. So that's 171 area, and there's one more here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, a few areas here. Yeah, so 171 actually is a good support area, because some of them will become resistance. This is support, this is resistance. So just look for those levels. It's probably gonna bounce there. Yes, that's what it did today. Um, mhm. Yeah, so 169. I feel like it's making lower lows. I feel like it's gonna go to 169 in the next few days. Lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, here. Lows, lower highs, lower highs. Yeah, but the thing about Apple is it only has a ATR of $2.72. Uh, yeah, so if you're trading a dollar, then you probably won't get anything out of it. But if you're trading 50 cents, yeah, that's why I trade 50 cents on my next trades. But yeah, it was not easy to trade. Not gap up, not gap down. Kind of, I was just forcing myself to trade actually, just to make something out of a market. By the way, tomorrow I will not be trading. I have appointments tomorrow in the morning, and maybe Friday. Yeah, cool. It's not a bad day. It was okay. We survived. See you guys hopefully soon. Bye. Maybe Friday. Yeah.